site.
Emily.
Come on, buddy. So we were just talking on our post a couple days ago about how God has shown himself on our travels, and 100% all the time. We came over to the coast because you couldn't reserve anything at this campground. We've been here before, and we know that they had some first come first serve sites, so we took a chance. We said, God, we're going to give this to you. If this is where you want us to be, then you'll make it happen. We got here, there was a trailer pulling in right before us, and
you still had more to go.
and for some reason, oh, I know why, they turned around, because at the very beginning when you come in, it said campground full. And well, the Ramseys always have to just make sure. Just because you never know.
They literally, they tried to back up, and then we were right behind them, so they decided just to drive through. Well, the camp host guy was sitting right at the place where you pay, and they just drove right past him. And we drive up, and I'm like, he was talking to some people, and I waited till he was done, and I said, hey, are we, what's going on? Is there any just over, one night sites, or is it completely full, or what? And he's like, well, someone just canceled, and I have this, he still had the little tab, he still had the little sign in his hand where he had taken it off the post, and he's like, that one right there is open, and it was literally right next to us, like Site 4 or something. I'm like, okay. Well, can we get it for the night? And he said, yeah. And I just couldn't believe it. I'm like, these people drove right past. I mean, those people in front of us would have got it.
They totally could have got it.
They totally could have got it all if they would have asked them, but it worked out.
It always helps to talk to people. So he let us in for that night, and he said, in the morning, check with the other camp host and see
then drive around or go look at the other sites and see who's left, because some of these places are reservable all the time, and then a few of them here and there are kind of first come first serve.
And we knew they had some first come first serve, so we knew we should be able to stay for a night, if anything, and then if we had to move on in the morning, then we would.
We almost didn't. They said they've been booked since they opened it up since COVID.
Yeah.
It's been packed the whole time.
So I went and talked to the camp host, and she said that there's 2 sites that you can, if they're gone, then you can go steal them, and you can have them up to 14 days. You
guys went and took chairs and sat down there and waited for me.
Yeah, so that's
how
when I
quick
did
you have to do it here, because people are just already snooping.
So anyway, we were just sharing how, just relying on God and knowing that, that not to worry. And that's one of the things we attempt to do a lot, is not to worry about where we're going to go or what we're going to do. Like, we usually don't know where we're going most of the time. We have an idea of what we'd like to do, but there's always things that could detour us, like meeting someone at a gas station or running into somebody at a campground and them telling us, you really have to go do this or really have to do that. I wanted to make sure I came back on here and gave our testimony that God is always present, and to lean on him, and just to not worry and just go with the flow and enjoy your day, and let tomorrow be tomorrow and today be today.
He was crawling on my hand. It's not you. He's nice.
Here, you can put it with your collection, crab collection.
Cool. Oh,
It was like this.
you gotta find all the pieces too.
Yeah.
Yep, here we go. Hold on. Reconstructed.
Oh, there's one right here. Billy, right here. Get it. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Dig, 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 dig.
And he's gone.
Hold on, Reagan.
Stop.
You ready? Go start scooting.
Indiana Jones.
Whoa, stop, Jay, stop.
That's a natural whip right there. Lion tamer. Probably eat that.
What?
There you go.
No, I thought he was feeling it.
Oh my gosh, Here we go. Indiana Jones. I know I'm a lion. Real.
That one could possibly still maybe sneak in. I don't know. I don't want to touch it.
Wait.
See how they're eating
You
it?
tickle.
Hey, everybody's got to eat. All right, Em, let it go. Let it go, Coley. Just let it go. This is how fast the wind the wind out here is so strong. Let it go, Reagan. Let it go. He's like, that's it, Harry.
Diagonally. Oh, I got it all in my hair. Diagonally.
That was all over my hair.
Wait.
I was like,
Diagonally.
He's the one that went somewhere else.
Yeah.
Go with me.
Ready? Whoa.
Well, they're about to dive in. You gonna get it? One just
oh, those are anemones.
But they have things on them.
Whoa, they're sticky.
That's a
sticky.
anemone when they're in the water. That's what all of these guys
They're
are gonna
really
do.
sticky.
Sea urchins,
They're
like you know the little rubber balls that have like all the little spines around it, and they're like keychains.
Mm-hmm.
It's like that.
Hey, I think we need to go down the other way, baby. That's
And-
where all the good stuff is.
And they can move. They can literally just move on the ocean floor. And crabs, like they'll land on crabs and use them to get them to move around and stuff.
Oh.
And they're basically like that, but they're all like really spiny and they can be poisonous at sometimes.
Oh.
So you just gotta be careful. Like
Cool.
don't try and hold it.
You're so smart, Lovey.
I think we need to go that way.
Can you stretch them out without hurting them?
Can we peck them?
Wait, just wait, just wait.
What, Em?
She doesn't like worms.
Go ahead, Reagan.
No, but you're gonna harm the animal.
No, you're not.
Oh my gosh, she is so long. Don't.
Be very
Worms are
gentle.
very fragile, so just be careful.
That guy doesn't look alive.
This guy doesn't. Oh, he's
Oh
all
my
dirty.
gosh, that's not an inchworm, that's like mega worm.